be a policeman. Oh, hell. Hello.
Hello.
Hey,
Whose bike is this?
My hotel owner rented it to me.
He rented this thing to you.
Yes.
This Alacha.
Alacha?
You know Alacha?
What's Alacha?
You don't know Alacha?
No. What's Alacha?
Oh. Rick, it's old car, old bicycle.
Oh, it's an old bike. Yeah, it feels like an old bike.
What is inside the bag?
Water and money.
Where are you going?
I'm going to Lake Volta.
Lake Volta.
Today is my last day in Ghana. I've been here for 1 month. And I just want to see the lake before I leave.
Wow.
What's that?
1 full month in Ghana.
Yes.
From where?
I'm from England.
Let's stop that car.
Hey, stop, stop. Sit down.
What can go?
Why did he not stop?
That's how they are.
Some people
Watch me.
Some people just don't stop.
And they feel like they are overall.
Wow.
One for them.
So you came to chop all the dollar. You are going back. No, pound sterling.
Yes, pound sterling. That's the one.
You stop all. You spend all.
This is a waterproof cover for the bag, and that's it. That's all I got.
Can you get up from the motor?
Yeah. Can you hold that a sec?
Your camera is working?
It's not on right now, but it's a camera. Yeah. I make videos about Ghana. I make videos about Ghana.
Move the bike forward small.
Over here?
Yeah. But you do get that.
Okay, hold on.
Or close this the back.
How long have you been in Ghana?
1 month. But today is my last day. I go back to England. You want it down here? Well, here is good. I can go? Okay. Thank you so much. Akpe, thank you. So I haven't talked about this before, but the whole reason I have to take weird routes is to avoid the police, because technically it's not legal for me to have the bike. It's not illegal. It's one of those things where like it's Ghana, you know, no one really minds, but technically it's not legal, and if you go through the police, usually you have to pay a fine, you know. So I've been trying to avoid them the whole time I've been here. That's the first time I've been stopped. And they were so nice. They were just so nice, like all Ghanaians. It was actually a pleasant experience. So shout out to those police. We continue onwards.